Right, guys. I'm just looking at buying gold right now. I'm gonna see if we can get a momentum entry. I think. Hold on. Let me have a look at something. 1 second. Momentum entry highs. Uh, sorry guys. I'm just trying to get live on TikTok as well. So, in fact, let's just wait for the 30-minute candle to close. So I'm really suffering my sinuses. So if you can hear me guys on YouTube, just bear with me a second. Hey Vic, Terry, how are we doing? Uh, I'm I feel all right, just can't bloody breathe. So I've not got any orders in. I'm just gonna bear with me. I'm just gonna go and get a tissue and then we'll take it from there. Okay, there we go. Right, live studio. I'm just trying to get loaded on TikTok. Okay, we're live on TikTok. I'll be back in 2 seconds. So we're gonna wait for this 30-minute candle to close, and then as long as it closes above, guys, sorry guys, my ears are popping, everything's going off. All right, so with Jesus, all right, we're gonna wait 3 minutes, and it'll either go without us, or we're gonna get a trade. Sweet Rose, good afternoon. So yeah, Andy. So yeah, I don't have a buy stop in yet. I'm just waiting for this candle to close in 2.5 minutes. Skills 854, good afternoon. So we don't have a buy stop in yet. I am potentially looking at a buy stop above these highs. Depends how this candle closes. If we close above this black horizontal here, then I will put a buy stop in. So I'm just suffering with sinuses at the minute. So if you just hear me, I'm just trying to pop my ears. Yeah, so well, we've got 1 minute 45 seconds. Is he in? Let's close the door. So will we close above or not? That's the question. Gandalf, how you doing? You all right? Big Harvey. Yeah, I'm good, mate. I'm good. Just a bit of sinus issue at the minute. It's driving me insane. DAX. Nothing on the NAS. Not interested on. Yeah, so we got about 50 seconds. Hey Lola. Hey human. How we doing? Maestro, Harvey W. Good afternoon. Oh, starting to have a little drop. Now, 30 seconds. I'm still going to place this above the highs. Okay, shorts I'm not going to entertain until we get below 25, I think it is. We've got 10 seconds. I've placed the order. Okay, 25 pip first take profit. 15 pips stop loss to entry. All right, let's do auto break even because my dog is about to. Oh, well, there you go. That's TP done. Break even, target hit. There you go, guys. It doesn't get much quicker than that. Come on. So that was a very quick T1. We did get slipped a little bit. Yeah. Well, let's now because of how far we've moved, I'm not going to be greedy for second TPs. 35 pips. Yeah, normally it would be 50, but we're already what? $63 up on the day. It could move more, but there we go. That's it, those 35 pips. There we go. Lovely. Let's bring stops up. Bo Mortimer, Maverick, how we doing? So, nice little start to the day. First trade of the day. Let me know if you got it, guys. Did you get it? Let me know if you got it. Hit some likes if you got it, or comment yes. What am I gonna? I'm gonna 60 pips. Yeah, trolley happy. Well, if you come in late, guys, I'm sorry, but we've already had money off the table. See where it goes. Oh God, sorry, my ears are driving me nuts. So I've got another take profit at 60 pips, guys. I didn't because daily target reached 2%. I'm afraid of returning the profits from a deep drawdown. Okay, well, staying disciplined, Terry, will always pay in the end. Now, Terry, I'm gonna pick you up on something here. You say you've got a daily target of 2%, right? But I'm sure I read in the group the other day you were 3.4% down in a day. Is that right? Okay, so why would your daily target be smaller than the amount you're allowed to draw down in a day? So now you got to hit your daily target 2 days in a row just to get back in front. If you're gonna set yourself targets and cutoffs, give it give yourself a chance for success. Right. Okay, there we go. We're out. Decent, decent session. All right, that's it. I'm done. I am. I'm not feeling 100% to tell the truth, guys. So my ears are driving me mad. So I'm just trying to work out whether we stay on. Oh, my sinuses are absolutely driving me insane. Yeah. So listen, gold. I'm not going to chase it higher anymore. If anything, I would be quite I would be if this 30-minute candle only for the next 25 minutes. I wouldn't be surprised if we broke its own low, but we shall see. So I wouldn't be surprised if that happened. When we get a sell, it's going to come hard, be a nice correction, and then that'll be the time to buy. Now just remember, December is a seasonal period for gold. Oh, so the push higher hasn't come as a surprise. It's something I've been talking about all month. Yeah. Fuck's sake. All right, guys. I might. I'm sorry, but I might be cutting this one short. I'm. I'm sure you guys don't want to hear me blow my nose every 2 seconds and trying to pop my ears. So it's only been 10, 15 minutes, but we've had a winning trade. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it short, guys. I'm not feeling great. So I do apologize, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it short. I'll be back on Monday. So just let me know. Let me know if you've got that winning trade. If you got that winning trade, I'll just update the stats. There's nothing worse than this. I feel like I'm underwater, and then with this headset over my ears, it's driving me mad. Cheers, Vic. Right, I'll just update the stats on TikTok and then put that winning trade in. Hey, Jez, I'm sorry, mate, but I'm jumping off, mate. We've just done one trade, but my ears are doing my sinuses are done. Guys, take care. I'll see you next week. All right, bye everyone. Sorry it was quick, short and sweet.